Welcome to my full review of MonetizeMore, a well-known ad optimization platform aimed at digital publishers who want to take their monetization efforts beyond standard AdSense. I've used the platform for several weeks across multiple sites, and in this video, I'll walk you through my actual experience with its tools and services, highlighting what worked, what didn't, and who this platform is really best for. Starting with the basics, MonetizeMore is designed to help publishers maximize ad revenue through tools like header bidding, access to Google AdX, and their proprietary ad fraud detection system called Traffic Cop. Getting started with them isn't exactly plug and play. The onboarding process involves manual account reviews, site eligibility checks, and implementation of their scripts. If you're a smaller publisher, this might already feel like a hurdle. MonetizeMore is clearly more suitable for mid-sized to large websites with decent monthly traffic. Once you're approved, they assign you an account manager, which is a nice touch. The header bidding implementation is handled by their tech team, and while they claim it's hands-off, I still had to be involved in testing placements and resolving layout shifts caused by ad scripts. The good part? After optimization was complete, I did notice a 25 to 30% increase in revenue compared to standard AdSense placements alone. That said, this jump varied by page type and location. Google AdX access is another selling point, and it's true that CPMs from AdX can outperform traditional AdSense, especially for global traffic. However, the reporting interface they use is not very intuitive. MonetizeMore uses their internal dashboard, which aggregates data but sometimes has sync delays or lacks the granular metrics that platforms like Google Analytics provide. This might frustrate data-driven publishers who want more real-time clarity. Traffic Cop, their anti-ad fraud tool, is something they push heavily. I ran it on a site that had previously suffered from invalid traffic warnings from AdSense. While Traffic Cop did block some shady activity, it wasn't always clear what the tool was doing in the background. You have to take their word for it in some cases. Still, I haven't received any further invalid traffic warnings while using it, so it seems to have done its job effectively. Many useful links you can find in the description. Support from the MonetizeMore team was responsive, but mostly limited to business hours. Don't expect around-the-clock help unless you're on one of their premium tiers. Also, they work on a revenue share model, which means they take a percentage of your ad income in exchange for their services. This makes it a less appealing option for publishers who already have in-house tech or who are trying to keep margins tight. Another downside I noticed is that their system doesn't always play well with every CMS or website layout. I ran into display issues on a WordPress theme that required custom CSS tweaks. If you're not comfortable working under the hood, you might need to pay for developer help to integrate their tools properly. In terms of transparency, MonetizeMore isn't always upfront about exact revenue splits unless you directly negotiate or ask. This could make newer publishers feel unsure about how much value they're really getting. That said, for those with significant traffic and who want more monetization control without managing direct advertiser deals, MonetizeMore offers strong value if you're willing to work with some of the platform's quirks and manual steps. To wrap this up, MonetizeMore is not a magic solution, but it is a solid one for publishers serious about maximizing display ad revenue. If you've outgrown AdSense or want to explore advanced strategies like header bidding or AdX, it's worth checking out. Just be ready for a bit of a learning curve and some occasional frustration with setup and reporting tools. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more real reviews like this, and leave a comment if you have questions or your own experience with MonetizeMore. Thanks for watching.